Hello friends, come and see a brand new story with glee. Bluey wakes at dawn, she yawns and stretches long. The sun paints skies bright, the air feels soft and light. She grabs her hat today and runs outside to play. Bingo waves hello, her smile begins to glow. They wander through the park with birds that sing and bark. The flowers sway with breeze, and bees hum through the trees. Suddenly Bluey stops, she hears soft little hops. Behind the bush so green, a tiny pup is seen. Its fur is fluffy white, its eyes like stars at night. Bluey gasps in awe, this pup is what I saw. The dog wags its tail, it seems so small and frail. Like this video, don't forget, subscribe for more fun yet. The pup runs round and round, it makes a joyful sound. Bingo kneels to pet, the cutest one we've met. The dog licks Bingo's cheek, she laughs and cannot speak. Bluey joins the cheer, her heart feels warm and near. The pup jumps on a ball, it tumbles, rolls, and falls. Bluey throws a stick, the dog runs fast and quick. Its paws leave prints in sand, it circles back to land. They chase and play for fun, beneath the morning sun. Neighbors come to see, whose puppy could this be? Bluey strokes its head, it needs a home, she said. The pup lies down to rest, it snuggles, feeling blessed. Bingo hugs it tight, her eyes shine with delight. They take it to their door, Mum greets them on the floor. Oh my, what have you found? She asks with gentle sound. A puppy small and sweet, it made our day complete. Dad smiles wide with pride, let's keep it by our side. The pup barks once, then twice, its voice is soft and nice. So Bluey laughs with joy, the pup becomes her toy. The day ends full of cheer, a friend is always near. And so the tale is true, new friends can start with you.